session for first electing speaker, then governor's address, then budget.
So session starts from 22nd. Budget date.
Session starts tomorrow.
Okay.
It will be adjourned till 22nd
Huh.
because we have to prepare budget. Unless there is a confidence vote, I can't touch the budget preparation.
Date of budget can.
22nd will be speaker's election. 23rd will be speech, governor's speech. And 24th will be budget.
So मुझे priorities भी जानते हैं budget. Last time 2012 पासून ये
A lot of things which I have to consult others, what are their strategies, take their information. But basically, to ensure that the financial stability of state is like there are many things like CST things is going, what impact it has. So there are so many things. I can't tell you all the.
you're getting very short time to.
So this budget will be basically more of a document in terms of figures and a smaller speech.
Siddharth Sripad Kukarkar.
The responsibility now, because the government needs to prove the majority also on the floor of the House.
Definitely, the government has to prove the majority on the floor of the House as per the Supreme Court guidelines, and that is the only agenda in front of the House tomorrow.
So this responsibility has been given to you as a pro tem speaker. How do you see that responsibility?
It's a responsibility restored by the party, and I'm happy that they have chosen me to be the pro tem speaker, and I will definitely do justice to this responsibility.
How much confident you are as far as your party to prove the government majority?
We are extremely confident.
The BJP never follows traditions. BJP always sort of violates the usual parliamentary practices and procedures. And world over, at least in the Indian parliamentary democracy, the senior most member of parliament, the senior most MLA becomes the pro tem speaker.